Hello everyone, today we talk about the Chinese character whose sound is cheng. Okay, so in the cheng, there is in the first tone there are two characters. Okay, so in the third tone is 10 characters. Okay, cheng, the third tone cheng are two characters. Okay, start from the cheng. So this character has 4 parts. Okay, the first part is like a man kneeling in the back of another man. The second is reported. Okay, the third part like the officer. Okay, it's the officer. So this part like the stop traveling. Okay, so his meaning means the officer to report performance to the king. Okay, bow to report performance to the king. Second meaning presentation, show, perform. Third meaning to achieve the goals. Okay. It's another cheng. Okay, this is another cheng. The left part like a house, right part like the charming. Okay, so his meaning when the house is running, his feet hit the ground like the charming music, makes a charming sound. Okay, the second meaning the verb. Okay, it's a laziness, indulgence. Okay, this is sheng. Okay, so left part means overflowing. Okay, rich material. Okay, his right part means to use force to achieve dominance. So his meaning is wealth, abundance, the best player together, concrete dominance, dominate, conquest, dominance. Okay. Second meaning strong. Okay, prosperous. Third meaning grand. First meaning full, warm. Fifth meaning adverb, widespread. Or sixth meaning filled, to accommodate. Okay. Another term. Okay. So his top part means weapon. Okay. Weapon of war. Part means city. Okay. So his meaning is conquest, dominate the part. Second meaning armistice, reconciliation, to make peace. Okay. Third meaning conceal, meditation. First meaning innovative. Okay. Fifth meaning already implemented, exciting. Sixth meaning adjective, 100%, whole. Seventh meaning qualifier, tense. Eighth meaning become, combination. Ninth meaning result, consequence. 10th adjective, feasible. Okay. This is another term. Okay, the top is a child, infant. The bottom like person hold the child. Okay, with his hand. So he means holding newborn. Okay. Okay. Second meaning procreation, clan, continue. Okay. Third meaning to accept. First meaning object by first. Object by first. This is another term. This is a man, big man. This is wood, tree. Okay, so the man climbs the tree to get a higher place. Okay. Second meaning, ride, sitting on the top, driving. Third meaning, taking advantage of using. First meaning, mass plus special operation. The verb, quantifier, each car, for house, for ride. It's a car with 4 houses, okay? So, this is another term, okay? So his left part is the crops, his right part is reporting. So his means report the harvest. Wait the grain, report the harvest. The second meaning, model, routing. Okay. Third meaning, travel, routes. Fourth meaning, number, limit. Okay. That's another term. So his left part means the war, okay? War surrounded the village, okay? So his right part means used first to achieve dominance, okay? So his meaning is to envelop, to protect the village with the army, okay? Second meaning, ream, urban. It means drive, okay? Urban. This is another term, okay? So his top part means sand, conquer, okay? Conquer. His right part means hard, thought. So his meaning means the purpose of punishment, in order to achieve the purpose. To punishment. To change your attitude, okay? This is another term, okay? So this one means hand, to hand, okay? So to save the person in the hole, okay, the pit, okay, this is the second meaning, to help, maintenance, support. Third meaning, officials, subsidiary. It's another term. So his left part means words, conversation. His right part means make peace. Okay. So he means to talk to make a peace and comply with the treaty. Okay. Second meaning, adjective, honestly, rarely, reliable. Third meaning, rarely. Okay. So his top part means mouth, statement. Left part means leader. Okay. So his meaning means to report to the leader. Okay, supervisor. Second meaning, to submit. Third meaning, to show. Okay. This is done. This is done. This left part means goat. Right part means Kletterswan. So he means the chains rolling swan. Okay. Second meaning, the shape of the 3 leg. Okay. This is cheng. And this is cheng. So this is a hand. Okay. Okay. A fish cage. So use the fish cage to repeatedly fishing. Okay. His another meaning means to to measure the rice. Okay. Accurate, fair measurement of the grain. So his first meaning liking, wishful. The third meaning, second meaning constant, fairly. Third meaning praise, glorify, praise. First meaning to proclaim, speech, calling. Fifth meaning names. Sixth meaning fair, accurate. Seventh meaning measurement of the weight of the object. Eighth meaning measurement of the weight of the object. This is verb, this is noun. Okay, thank you for watching.